Hi friends, in this problem, we are given f of x equals ax square plus bx plus c. Obviously, the leading coefficient a is not equal to 0 and delta is b square minus 4ac. Alpha, beta, these are the roots of this equation. Alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube, they are in geometric progression. Then we have to find out that c into delta is equal to 0. We have to prove this, right? This is a nice problem. This came in 2005 IIT JEE. Right. Now we are given that alpha plus beta and alpha square plus beta square plus and alpha cube plus beta cube, they are in geometric progression. If three terms are in geometric progression, what does that mean? The square of the middle one is equal to product of the first one and third one. What does that mean? Alpha square plus beta square whole square should be equal to alpha plus beta into alpha cube plus beta cube. If you expand this is in the form of a plus b whole square, right? If you expand this, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus 2 alpha square beta square equals alpha into alpha cube, alpha power 4 plus alpha beta cube plus beta alpha cube plus beta power 4. This alpha power 4, beta power 4 will get cancelled from both sides. Right? We'll be left with 2 alpha square beta square equals alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square. We can, in these two terms, we can take alpha beta common. Right? So, bringing everything on the same side. Right? This becomes, if we bring this one also to the right side, we'll get alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Right. That means, what is this? A square plus b square minus 2ab. This means this equation becomes alpha beta into alpha minus beta whole square equals 0. Right. This is the product of two terms. They should be equal to 0. What does that mean? Automatically alpha beta should be equal to 0 or alpha minus beta should be equal to 0. In this case, it should be alpha equals beta. Right. If alpha equals beta, what does that mean? Both roots are same. Right. In a quadratic equation, if both roots are same, what does that mean? B square minus 4 ratio should be equal to 0. Very basics of quadratic equations. Right. If B square minus 4 is equal to 0, that means both roots are same. Right. You can draw the graph like this. B square minus 4 is, then both roots will be same. Right. Either it will be like this or like this. Right. Then B square minus 4 ratio should be equal to 0. Right. If it is greater than 0, then that means two real roots. Either this one, or like this. Right. If it is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means the equation goes something like this. The graph goes something like this. They will not touch x-axis. So the roots are imaginary. They are not real. Right. So here alpha equals beta. What does that mean? B square minus 4ac should be 0 or alpha beta equal to 0. What is alpha beta? Product of the roots. Product of the roots is what? C by a. C by a should be 0. Right. What does that mean? Then C has to be 0. Either C has to be 0 or B square minus 4AC equals 0. That means C delta equals 0. Right. Either this is 0 or this is 0. Either case C delta is 0. Right guys? Simple problem. Hope you like this. Thank you.